We chose D&G because of the reputation they had in the area. We did a little bit of research on different builders. The process that they proposed for us was great, easy to follow and work with. So that was an easy decision for us to be able to choose these guys to do our work. What we enjoyed most about working with D&G was Crystal. She was there all the time, very friendly, answered all the questions, very responsive. The other thing that I liked about working with D&G was the software, the online tool, the pictures, everything was on there that we could do. We could see the payments, the change orders, everything that we needed to stay abreast of the project, we had the ability to see online.
I want to add that I thought the communication was excellent, and Darren's energy and commitment to his company just shone through everybody we worked with.
It's an easy decision to go with D&G. They're a great group of people. They keep you informed. Darren's got a ton of energy that we enjoyed working with. He's always enthusiastic and upbeat. Everybody is professional. The quality of the work is wonderful, and they make a lot of valid suggestions and improvements to the thoughts that we had. So they brought our vision into a reality.